It's a really wonderful and proud moment for Aleph India Group because one of its companies, Aleph Accreditation and Testing Center, has been granted accreditation by National Accreditation Board for Certification Bodies, NABCB, which is a part of Quality Council of India, as a third-party inspection body of Type A category. So this means that this accreditation gives us a delightful moment as it is the second jewel in the crown of Aleph India Group. This company was accredited and certified by BIS, the National Standards Body of India, with ISO 9001 certification. And now this has been accredited by NABCB as per ISO IEC 17020 accreditation as an inspection body, third-party inspection body of Type A category. So, as you know, this accreditation is only given for various scopes by IAF. And this International Accreditation Forum, that is IAF, has identified various scopes for which inspection bodies are accredited in various countries. And similarly, we have been accredited under various scopes of IAF. What does this mean for the company? This accreditation for AATC means that it is a proof of the technical competence and expertise of our competent manpower to conduct impartial, independent inspections without any conflict of interest. So that is one part. Secondly, this recognition to AATC indicates that this gives a competitive and regulatory edge to the organization to say that all its persons involved in the inspection activities are competent and they can grant inspection certificates which are internationally recognized. Why? Because once you get accredited through an inspection, as an inspection body, through an accreditation body like NABCB, this accreditation is globally recognized and your inspection certificates will be respected, trusted globally. So this is what it means for the organization, AATC. But what it means for the customers and the clients, the manufacturers, the industries. This means that, yes, they shall be dealing with an organization which is internationally recognized, globally trusted. They have a regulatory framework and their identified inspection certificates will be accepted throughout the globe. Also, the customers who get involved with these inspection activities, they will be benefited through better control of their systems and risk management. They will have a better control of improvement areas and continuity of improvement. And these customers will also have an edge over other customers just because they shall be participating in the global tenders. And tendering participation is a requirement in many firms and organizations globally that you must get your certificates through Type A inspection body. Your inspection certificate should be inspected as per Type A. And therefore, AATC takes this advantage and an edge for the customers that once you get involved to the AATC activities in terms of inspection, then you have many advantages. Very few months ago, this inspection wing was opened and created under AATC as a new vertical. And this new vertical, after its creation, got everything documented and framed as per international requirement. And this accreditation was applied to NABCB. And after inspecting all documents and competency, this AATC has been granted this accreditation. With all this and with delightful experience of getting such recognition global, I expect that the clients who are associated with AATC, they can seek their these services of inspection from AATC, and the details are already given in the screen that you can see. You can have phone numbers, email, and you can apply to AATC for all types of inspection services that is required. And these certificates issued by AATC shall be utilized. You can utilize them for various tendering purposes, improvement purposes, and your recognition purposes, because it is going to give you a great competitive edge. So with this thing, for any industries or organizations who want to take the services of inspection from AATC, they can approach this organization as per the given contact numbers and emails. You can take the services of inspections for many types of activities of inspections like pre-dispatch inspections, in-process inspections, your any process inspections, inspections of the product and site inspections, inspections of any particular department that is required to be given prior to the applying for any tendering process. So that certificate of inspection will be of great help to any organization and industries if you get this certificate from AATC of this third-party certificate inspections, and then you can apply for global tenders, domestic tenders, and other things, because these are duly regulated, and these certificates will carry value to the extent that you are getting an extra edge for in the tendering process. So various types of inspection processes can be approached, can be utilized through the services of AATC, and you can always contact the organization which is given the phone numbers, the emails, and other things, and we shall be really delighted to serve you in all possible ways. Thank you very much.